Hey guys, Mr. here. Today, me and Lucas are just getting the fidget spinner. Lucas, fidget spinner. Here's my American platform.
Ah! No! No! Sorry. Okay, I need to end it.
Yeah, so there is. Sorry guys, the grass. It's just grass. There we go.
Hey, you're on my fidget.
What?
You're on my fidget.
I am? Oh, my knee was. My knee was just on this fidget spinner. Ow! Like trimmed me. Ready? Ready?
I don't freaking care!
What?
I don't freaking care!
Looks so weird. Like in that video, in yours, you're right there. Yes.
Sup? Nick's filming a video.
Yep. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. So my video is right there, like buried.
Dude, this will be your second video on this day and your 5th video ever. And this will be my 21st video.
Like
I posted 20 videos
nice.
so far.
You should have. So you should have done a 20th anniversary.
Celebrate 20 and no 20
21 videos.
20 videos posted, everyone. Let's party. Hit that subscribe button. Like this video.
Wow.
Down
Sorry,
below. Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Hey, look at my sweet sweatband.
We get that too.
Dion. Not in your class.
I know. So my friend doesn't really. Well, I'm trying to set this up somewhere. Here we go. Wait, can I get on this rock balanced? Sorry, because I'm trying to set it up. I can't find somewhere to set it up where where grass won't be in the way. How about we go fix my fidget spinner?
We need to fix.
Yeah, because look at this bearing.
Wait, are we going anywhere?
Duh. To the garage. Let's go. Let's go to the... What?
Okay.
See? Hello. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Say hi.
Say hi. We get to meet each other.
Yay!
Imagine when I'm.
Say hi. Say hi to the Lucas Clancy's. Okay, so
I
yeah.
have a new intro.
How? Like, is it like custom made?
Dude, we could do lightsaber fights.
Yeah. Let's set. I'm gonna set up my camera.
I ended my video.
I didn't.
I'm gonna do lightsaber fights.
Okay, so yeah, we are just gonna.
That will be the end of the video.
Peace.